what happens if you tilt the world's largest aircraft carrier vertically? Meet the USS Gerald R. Ford. At 106 feet long, it's almost as tall as the Empire State Building's roof. Its flight deck spans 4.5 acres. That's wide, enough to fit over 3 football fields side by side. Weighing 100,000 tons, it carries over 75 aircraft and more than 4,500 crew members. So is it just a ship or a moving city in the ocean? Which one looks bigger to you?